Hello Belgrade, I'm Olivier Denoo. I'm super excited to see you at SEETEST 2018. We're going to share interesting stories together, and I'm so excited to meet you there to talk about something very special. Important topic in the world, the most complex, funniest, exciting, important topic in the world. And this is you. We're going to talk about you. You as a QAer, a leader, consumer, user, ITer, team member, and yeah, whatever, just as you are. But it's you as such. It's you within your everyday life. That's you within your professional life as well, and all the problem you can meet, all the misunderstandings, all the problems you might meet while designing a product, testing a product, whatever. On the menu, 2 conferences. A 1-day pre-conference on 7 skills of highly efficient teams. This module has been developed by 4 international experts, including myself, with more than 20 years of experience in business analysis, quality assurance, requirements engineering, and neuroscience. It's interactive and practical. It's aiming at designing better products, but also, and above all, building a better team, building a smarter communication, a better collaboration. That's about soft skills, that's about people-centric approaches, that's about emotion-aware approaches, and that's how to make your own values match with the value that you need to deliver to your customer. A second topic in a half-day tutorial is whatever user wants. Let's take together a journey in usability and user experience. See why it is becoming of most important in these days where IT is everywhere. Look about biases, heuristics. Look how people are interacting with the products and services that we design for them. This tutorial is made as an eye-opening and funny one, with a lot of interaction and practical content. Looks yummy, isn't it? So don't wait any longer and come and join me. Oh, by the way, as this is interactive, please bring your own device. So, thank you very much for your attention and see you in SEETEST 2018.